Well, I hope that you enjoyed the last video, not only with Roger's vision, but also gave you a little bit of a, well, something to reflect on as far as that safety net of business that you can build on the side. Let's talk about the health benefits, because we're here to really do two things, talk about the health and wealth benefits. And the fact of the matter is that the health benefits are absolutely incredible. And one of the most incredible products that is exclusive to Shaklee is Vivix. And think about it. Unlocking the secrets to longevity is the ultimate scientific quest. Scientists are spending billions in research to help people feel younger and live longer. We've seen it in newspapers and in magazines like Forbes and Fortune magazine. We've seen it on TV. The CBS Evening News back in 2007 talked about, could we live forever or even come close? And then the Barbara Walters special back in April of 2008. Live to 150. Can we do it? Well, this is all based on the good stuff in red wine, specifically the ingredients called resveratrol. But Shaklee has taken it to the next level, and then there was the article back in June of 2008 talking about red wine ingredient, the secret of life. And the one that a lot of people are really buzzing about is the 60-minute special back in January talking about the fountain of youth in a wine prescription. I mean, think about that. Here's something that we can do all naturally. And so to help you understand exactly what this is all about and how the science truly can benefit you and what resveratrol is all about, I'm going to have Cheryl come on and talk more about resveratrol, increasing lifespan of every cell.
We have a timeline of some very important resveratrol markers. Resveratrol increased the lifespan of every cell line tested. In 1997, they identified the cause of aging at MIT. Now, this was the first discovery of its kind. In 03, they located the master regulatory gene for aging. They named this gene the Silent Information Regulator, or SIR2. Resveratrol is the most potent SIRT1 activating compound ever discovered. In lab tests, resveratrol enhanced vitality and extended the lifespan of every species tested. A human lifespan could be extended to 135 years. In 2006, a study comparing 3 groups of middle-aged mice. Group number 1 was a standard diet. Group number 2 had a high-calorie, high-fat diet. Group number 3 had a high-calorie, high-fat diet with resveratrol added. Group number 1 ended up having a normal lifespan. Group number 2 gained weight, developed fatty livers, inflammation of heart muscle, and developed diabetes. They died much younger than the other mice. But group number 3, the mice on the bad diet with resveratrol added, developed none of those complications or diseases. Their physiology was identical to the lean mice. They were much more physically active and healthy, and they outperformed the other groups in both physical endurance and stamina. Vivix will extend life and increase health and vitality. It adds years to your life and life to your years. Marty, talk to us about some of the causes of aging.
I'll be happy to. Well, you know, biological aging is something that we all think about, that we're going to age chronologically, but biologically, think about the differences and what causes those people to prematurely age biologically. Obesity, overeating, bad diet, smoking, of course, pollution, and genes. You know, some of us have better genes than others. But take a look at the slide here, and it shows a beautiful woman out for a wonderful jog, exercising, full of vitality, 62 years young, who's a Shaklee distributor who's enjoying great health and wellness using our products over the years. And then we have this 48-year-old gentleman who's now ready or getting ready for open heart surgery. Well, do you think their lifestyle were different? Absolutely. Could there be other things that were different? Sure. But if you think about it, obesity is at an all-time high, even in children now. Poor diet, we all know we need to eat better. Smoking is something that we control, but it's very addictive. But then think about pollution and genes. That's something we can't control. So these are things with a product like Vivix that can give you a definite advantage to be able to feel younger and live longer. And so with that, I want to introduce you to this incredible product through a video that was put together by Shaklee talking about another Shaklee breakthrough. So with that, let's go ahead and take a listen.